In today's short video, I'm going to be going over tips on how to become a better drone pilot and take awesome video footage with your drone. Let's jump into it. Okay guys, so here we are. We are going to talk about what I said in the beginning, which is how to become a better drone pilot, specifically when it comes to shooting video with your drone. Now, I personally use a DJI Mavic 3, mainly. I also fly a Mavic 2, which is up here, but very rarely anymore. I mainly use the Mavic 3 because it's such a solid drone. But this video will apply to you if you're flying an Air 2S, a Mini, really like anything, because I'm not talking about the specifics of the Mavic 3. I'm just gonna be giving you some tips on how to get better footage. So number one is when people get their drones, they wanna fly it high, which is great. But I actually find that the best shots are when you're flying lower. You can see more of the details. That's the benefit of a drone. With helicopter aerial photography and videography, you can only get so low because it's a helicopter. But drones are small, which allow you to fly much lower to the ground, and they actually make very good cameras for ground footage as well. Oftentimes in my real estate videos that I shoot for clients, I'll shoot all of the exterior footage with the drone, even the ground footage. Drones really do go much further than just aerial capturing devices. They're just excellent cameras, and once you realize that, you can get so many different types of shots in your videos and really make your videos stand out. So just remember, you don't always have to fly super high. I feel like that rhymed. Anyway. Number two is working on the smoothness of your shots. I noticed that a lot of beginning drone pilots, they take a lot of jerky footage, and that is something that you could definitely edit out in post-production, because not all your footage is going to be jerky. You're still getting used to the movements, but you really want to work on dialing in those controls and getting really nice camera movements and working on different shots. For example, there's panning shots, there's top-down type of shots, there's tilting shots where you tilt the camera up and down. And when you're doing the panning shots, you actually have to move the drone from side to side in a very smooth and fluid way. The drone has a built-in gimbal, so if you get these movements down, they're gonna look really nice, smooth, and cinematic. So go out there and practice your movements, because that is gonna be the most important part of becoming a better, more cinematic drone operator. Another tip I have is think about the end product. Whether you're working on something for a client or you're just trying to have some fun with a drone, but you still want to get really good shots, think about the shots, think about how you want them to look, and then try to execute that. You have a bird's eye view with the drone, so you can even go out there and start flying, imagine the different shots, and then try to execute those. And last but not least is the video editing process. If you want a really nice polished looking video, you really want to learn your video editing software. I use Final Cut Pro, so if you are using that too, I have a ton of tutorials here on the channel. But mastering the editing software, getting down the color correcting, and just making the shots come together in a way that is really nice and fluid and cinematic, that is really going to be important too. Just taking some drone video, throwing it in an editor, and not doing much to it isn't going to look that great. So you definitely want to learn the editing process. But yeah, I'll make a video specifically on different types of shots that you can get. This is more of a general video to kind of get you thinking about how you fly your drone and the type of shots you get and the look that you want to achieve. And the only way to do that is practicing those movements. Getting really nice low-level shots doesn't always have to be crazy high aerial 400 feet footage. It can be low, 100 feet even lower than that. You can use the drone as a ground camera. But yeah, I hope this video inspired you a little bit. I hope that the footage that I showed during the video inspired you. And if you have any questions or want me to create videos on any other topic related to drones, let me know in the comment section below. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up button, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. That way you're updated when I create new videos. But until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.